What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's like 3 days worth of work, but we did my Nile monitor in new enclosure, so hope y'all like it. Let's get into it. And then think about putting the mail in here, so we're gonna see, man. Oh yeah, big old tank. I'm gonna put under his enclosure. No, I'm good with this one. I'm trying to decide how I should put this. I know I don't want to leave an open square like that. I probably want to leave more room on that side. I'm just thinking how though. Alrighty, man. So I decided when I look under here, we're gonna move this back so that he has 1, 2, 3. No, this gonna be this. So he got 1, 2, 3. We're gonna cut it in here instead of these two. And then you're gonna have this to move around. And I'm gonna hang some stuff up so you can climb. But this is just temporary to get him out the tank. And this will be used for something smaller. Hopefully we get some baby canyon lizards and raise them up in here. And yeah, now monitors love swimming though. So I just thought might as well incorporate a tank so they can swim a lot. Let's see. All right, man, so now I'm finna pull this off and saw the bottom of it. And then I'll show y'all what I'm done. All right, that worked out perfect. Now I'm gonna just tape up the sharp parts. And we're gonna be good. All right, man, that's what I got so far. So, I got this. Oh yeah. And then he gonna be climbing in there. Pretty decent. Pretty big. I think this is the second day building it now. I'm under the enclosure. I'm gonna put this in through this top piece. I said for this to this. So I'm gonna go from the inside and just get that. YouTube, I just made this door with these L frames. The fan right here is probably loud as hell, but I gotta find the hinges. Oh, they over there. And see how to do it. I'm pretty sure he's liking it, man. Oh, that was cool. I probably shouldn't have put so much water. So I think I'm gonna just keep the water right here next time. No! He had space under there. He's such a hater. How cool is that? Let's see if he comes back this way. Yeah, he gonna come back. I don't know he ain't. Oh, what's up, dude? Oh. That's a 9 monitor, guys. Final product, we got the locks on it, of course. Gotta make something to bolt this down. But it ain't like, so it ain't like nobody just lift it up. But he swim out of that. We're gonna add some more stuff in that